In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate time difference in Google Sheets. If you need to find out how much time has passed between a start time and an end time, Google Sheets makes it very simple, as long as your cells are formatted correctly. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the exact process so your subtraction works properly and displays a real-time result instead of an error or a confusing number. To begin, check the formatting of your start time and end time cells. This is an important first step because Google Sheets needs to recognize those entries as actual time values, not plain text. Go ahead and highlight the cells that contain your start and end times. Then click Format, move to Number, and choose Time. Once that is applied, your entries will be treated as time, which allows Google Sheets to calculate the difference correctly. If your times were typed in manually, this formatting step is especially helpful. It confirms that both values are being understood the right way before you move on to the formula. If the formatting is off, the subtraction may not behave as expected, so it's always worth checking first. Next, go to the cell where you want the time difference to appear. For example, if your start time is in cell A2 and your end time is in cell B2, you can click into cell C2 as your result cell. In that target cell, enter a simple subtraction formula, equals B2 minus A2. This tells Google Sheets to take the end time and subtract the start time, giving you the amount of time between the two. After you press enter, the result should display the time difference. If needed, you can also make sure the result cell is formatted as time so it appears in a clean, readable way. That helps keep your sheet consistent and makes the output easier to understand at a glance. One quick reminder here, always subtract the earlier time from the later time if you want a positive duration. That keeps the calculation straightforward and avoids unexpected results. And that's really all there is to it. First, verify that your time cells are formatted as time. Then, enter the subtraction formula in your target cell, using the end time minus the start time. With those two steps, you can quickly calculate time differences in Google Sheets for schedules, timesheets, or any basic time tracking task. Thanks for watching.